And now for the AEA Associate Member of the Year. These companies are recognized for their exemplary dealer support, innovative products and services, and for the active participation in AEA conferences and convention. Please help me recognize the nominees for this year's AEA Associate Member of the Year. Applied Avionics, Astronix MaxViz, Guardian Avionics, and WB Parts Express. Congratulations to each of these companies, and please direct your attention to the screen for another video.
The recipient of the 2019 AEA Associate Member of the Year Award is Applied Avionics. Originally named Aerospace Optics, Applied Avionics was incorporated in June 1968 and got its start in avionics manufacturing by producing custom edge-lighted panels, knobs, and annunciators. In the mid to late 1970s, the company shifted its focus to the production of rugged, high-quality, illuminated push-button switches. The company's Vivisun 99 incandescent illuminated push-button switch revolutionized aircraft crew station lighting with sunlight readability. It gained immediate acceptance as the standard in aircraft crew station lighting in both the military and commercial aircraft markets. The company was among the first to offer Night Vision Goggle compatibility in its switches during the late 1970s and early 1980s. In 1996, the company introduced its first LED illuminated push-button switch. The Vivisun LED switch integrated its signature sunlight readability with the reliability of the LEDs to provide customers with the best crew station illumination on all platforms. Nexus component technology was introduced in 2010, allowing a variety of independent mix-and-match electronic components to be incorporated in a switch body or in a dedicated behind-the-panel Nexus module. Based on the success of Nexus component technology, the company changed its name in November 2015 from Aerospace Optics to Applied Avionics. An active AEA member company since 2001, this change was made to support the company's growth and the introduction of its new line of avionics system integration products under the Nexus brand, which debuted at the 2015 AEA International Convention and Trade Show in Dallas, Texas. Applied Avionics' manufacturing plant in Fort Worth, Texas, employs more than 80 skilled professionals, and the company has affiliate representation in the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia. In 2018, the company celebrated its 50-year anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate Applied Avionics, the 2019 AEA Associate Member of the Year.
All right, thanks everybody very much. As the video said, we joined in 2001. I started with Applied Avionics in 1999. It didn't take very long for me to start hearing about the AEA, and we'll see you at the AEA convention, right? So I learned about it very quickly, and we went to the first one in 2001 in Dallas, Texas, and we've been coming to the show, growing with the AEA ever since. So on behalf of the gentleman up here on stage and every single last employee back in Fort Worth, Texas, working hard to deliver excellent products on time to you, we're honored to accept this award. Thanks.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 62nd Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Palm Springs, California, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Now, the MD302 Standby Attitude Module, SAM, is even smarter. Introducing the MD32 Magnetometer, designed specifically for SAM. This optional magnetometer delivers independent heading reference. Its unique mounting flexibility, compact size, and convenient cockpit calibration ensures an easy, low-cost installation every time. Available from your local Avionics dealer.
It's called AirText Plus. The mobile office is now a true, cost-effective win-win reality because being available and part of the communication chain keeps you in control. Visit us at www.airtext.aero for more information and get started staying in touch today.